रिकॉर्ड अकाउंट तो नहीं खाली फिलहाल रिकॉर्ड शुरू किया। बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। I am Mohammad Afzal Sato, lecturer mathematics with Benazir Bhutto Sheikh University, Delhi. My subject is pharmaceutical mathematics. Combination: the number of the combinations of n elements of a set taken or at a time. There is the formula where n r is equal to the n factorial divided by the r factorial n minus r factorial, where n is the elements of the given set, but are those numbers which are taken from the n. For example, I have given the below example. Find the value of 10 to 4. Solution: 10 to 4. As we know that n or is equal to the n factorial divided by r factorial n minus r factorial. This is the formula. Now I have solved the questions. 10 or 10 to 4 is equal to the 10 factorial divided by the 4 factorial bracket start 10 minus 4 factorial. Again, solve 10 factorial is the continuous product of the numbers. 10 multiply 9 multiply 10. Again, then solve, then get the results. Is equal to 210. This is the number of the combinations of the two elements, 10 or odd. Now the second example: in how many ways in the cricket's 11 be the chosen out of the 14 players? इसका मतलब ये है कि क्वेश्चन है हमारे पास ये, इसके अंदर टोटल हमारे पास जो है 14 प्लेयर्स हैं, उनमें से हम टेक आउट किए हैं वो जो है 11 नंबर है, क्योंकि हमें आप जैसे आप बताएं कि क्रिकेट टीम के अंदर 11 से ज़्यादा जो है हम नहीं ले सकते खिलाड़ी, तो इसलिए जो हमारे पास टोटल जो है वो 14 है। 14 बोलते हैं, 15 रखे हैं XYZ जितने में, लेकिन जहाँ पर हमने जो टोटल जो है हमने जो नाम दिए वो कितने हैं, 14 हैं। उनमें से हमने जो बंदे उठाए खिलाने के लिए वो टेकन आउट किए हैं वो कितने हैं, 11 हैं। जैसे हमें तो पता है ये फार्मूला है कॉम्बिनेशन का, n और is equal to n factorials divided by the n factorials bracket start n minus r factorial. Again, same putting the values of the where n is 14 and r is 11. Then put the values 14 minus 1 factorial divided by the 11 factorial 14 minus 11 factorial. Then get solve these problems and get the answers. Therefore, the result is final 364. This is the answer. Now, second example, find the values of the this. These are the example of the homeworks. Again, the trigonometry. Trigonometry is number first and the x-axis and y-axis. These are the coordinates of the x-axis and y-axis, and then get the values of the sine and cos. Number first, then x-axis line start from 0. x-axis line and y-axis जो है हमारे पास एक लाइन है, दो लाइन है, एक x-axis लाइन है, दूसरी y-axis। एक x है, दूसरी y है, मतलब इसका मतलब है कि x पॉजिटिव वैल्यूज, y पॉजिटिव वैल्यूज। ये x डैश इट मींस वो जो है x नेगेटिव वैल्यूज एंड y डैश इट मींस द नेगेटिव वैल्यूज, negative values. Then first quadrant start from 0 to 90 degrees. then all the trigonometric ratios must be equal to the positive. All the values of the trigonometrics must be positive because the line of x-axis and y-axis are the positive, then cos positive, then sine is also positive. So because these values are the trigonometric ratios are all positive. Now the second quadrant, then the y-axis positive, then x-axis the negative. Why? These x-axis line and this is the y-axis line. Y-axis lines are positive and x-axis line are here second quadrant is negative because the x-axis line is only values are the cos and y-axis line are the sine. So this is the sine. Sine is the positive. Then opposites is cosec is also positive. Then the second quadrant sine and cos are positive, but remaining four elements are negative. Then the third quadrant, then also x-axis negative and y-axis also negative. The values of the tan and cot are positive, but the remaining four elements are the negative in third quadrant. Number four, fourth quadrant. Then the x-axis is positive and y-axis is negative. Then x-axis is positive, it means cos positive. Opposites is sec positive. These two terms are positive, but remaining four are the negative values in fourth quadrant. Then start from 0 degree to 90 degree, first quadrant. Second quadrant, 90 degree to 80 degree, the second quadrant. 180 degree to 270 degree is the third quadrant, and 270 degree to 360 degree is fourth quadrant.